What's up guys, welcome back to MixedSid channel. And today's cocktail guys, what we're doing is a Frozen Strawberry Daiquiri. But this time for 700ml, we're going for a load of Frozen Strawberry Daiquiri.
What can you use that bottle for?
Well, we're going to make a certain someone very happy with it.
Me?
Yeah. But yeah, it's perfect for storing just old bottles really.
Yeah, also good for going to house parties or anything you want to take a cocktail with you can just bottle it and take it with you.
So yeah, a bottle cocktail. So a bottled Frozen Strawberry Daiquiri. Alright, as you can see we've got our blender, we've got a load of ice. Oh, a cup full of ice we've poured in. So I'd say it's about 20 ice cubes roughly. Right, so we're pouring about 300ml, which is 10 ounces of white rum. I think I might need more ice cubes. I'll give a little bit of that. For this we'll go for 30ml or 1 ounce of the grenadine. Let's sweeten this up a bit. Next, I think we'll go for about 20ml of sugar syrup. There we are. And last, 25ml of fresh lime juice. I'm trying to pour as little juices as what I can so it'll last longer. Alright, what we're going to do now is we'll add our strawberries, so we'll add about 10. We'll start with that.
That's 8.
And we'll start going with the first blend. We've added a few more ice cubes, 5 more, see if we can get the perfect ratio for the blend, as I want it smooth. Add a few more ice cubes. See, I think we're ready. So it turned out better than what I thought it would, because after having another look at it, I thought it's quite nice. Time to sieve into our bottle. there. There we go, one bottled Frozen Strawberry Daiquiri. So Jackson likes his seeds, so we've left it with the seeds in it.
Do you have a little taste test with a black bit?
A little taste test, why not?
Chug, 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 chug.
Lovely. Very rummy, I think I will say. I'll probably overpowered it a little bit with the rum.
I like them stronger.
But it's as simple as that, really. You can see the eyes like coming off it. Shows you how cold it is. We'll put our packet here. And there we go, one Frozen Strawberry Daiquiri in a bottle.
Thank you very much, Aaron.
There you go.
I'll enjoy it. Hoping I'll have some preserved from one of my live streams.
Yeah, you can enjoy it for your Real Madrid game. You've still got any left there, vinyl. Well, that is the Frozen Strawberry Daiquiri. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. But say if you ever want to make a cocktail, a bottle cocktail, that's how you do it. So if that, just take it to parties or wherever. Enjoy. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more videos like this, as I do appreciate all your support. You've been fantastic out in the year. So I can't mention enough, so I really do appreciate the support. But I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.